Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ardian Gason Syahrazi and my student number is 256. Okay, now in this session, I will answering my speaking test, my TOEFL speaking test, practice test 2 in my final exam. Okay, so there is in the video YouTube before, there is a 4 question to answering your speaking test. Okay, first of all, let's begin. Picture number 1, there is a speaking text 1. Some people support online teaching, saying that in the modern society, it is the right way to teach kids. Do you agree or disagree? Include the detail as example when you're starting your opinions. Okay, so answering me, that is I kinda disagree of this motion. Why? Because the best way to teach your kids is using face-to-face methods. Why? The development of learning in children requires guidance, and it's carried out from those who are experienced and teach there directly. As the example, there is for like other country, like yeah, there is so the kids is using to teach how face to face. Okay, so speaking text too, there is a conversation and the text before. Okay, so the question is, the female student talks about the recent change in the schedule of the lecture. Say what is her opinion and why she has it. Okay, so my answer is it true the professor wants to teaching us? Why? Because you just looking at the schedule before, it causes of salary of their professor was too low, and by adding class is move more to higher their salary. Because what is scheduled before, like we having scheduled before, weekend must be free, including in Fridays, and nothing any classes to do as activity. So why there is a female or her is just to disagree of that. Okay, so let's begin in speaking text too. There is also the conversation, but text before. The text is also about the hibernation. Okay, so the question is, the lecture is about hibernation. Explain why do animals hibernate as well as how they achieve this state. Use points and example from the lecture. Okay, so my answer is, so hibernation is a state to focus in activity followed by a low heart rate, low breathing, and also low metabolic. It usually happens during the winter months. And animals like this in hibernation is like bears, as the example in the text before. Usually, animals tend to eat a lot of food in the fall before to prepare their long winter sleep. It looks to care their metabolism. So, the body doesn't carry out the metabolic process quickly. So that is like hibernation and also the including of the animal from the lectures. So the last is speaking text 4, that is a conversation, and it is the conversation is about monopoly. So the question is, explain why monopolies are not a good thing for the economy. Use point and example from the lecture. Okay, first of all, monopoly is just one, in the lecturer said, is monopoly is just one company. There is a who's in the horizontal or vertical asset before. So there are 3 reactions. Why this monopoly are not good for our economy? First of all, the reason is price fixing. Monopoly can decide to charge higher price for some products. So there is a just monopoly to their one products to their like price fixing. So the price is more to higher than before, like that. The second reason is products can be manipulated like the ingredients. As the example before the lecturer said is the chocolate, the factory of the chocolates. why there is a products can be manipulated. There is like you said, chocolate, we as the let's took the example, chocolate have less of the choco also and sugar. Like we depends just one their chocolate, and yeah, the chocolate is to manipulate to consume the society, like less sugar or less chocolate, like that. And the last section is less or less innovation, because the monopoly is just one company in here, just one company to running their world, like that. And yeah, there is a no competitor in here. Yeah, and that's my speaking text, my final exam. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.